Hi everyone, I created this Blogspot 2012. So now I want to delete this one. So I am going to tell you how to delete your all Blogspot sites. So you can log into your email accounts and click on here. Then you can find Google services. Under Google services, below to the Google services, you can find Blogger. Then click on Blogger. So if you created this blog belong to your email account, you can see the your blog here. You can't find your blog belong to the your Gmail account. Try to find correct Gmail account. So this is the uh, blog sites belong to the my Gmail account. So now I want to delete this one. How to do this? Click on settings. Then you can find this type of menu. Go to the bottom, then you can find remove your blocks. Click on remove your blocks. If you want to download your blocks, you can click on download. Then you later you can restore your blog post. So I don't know, no need to restore my blog post, therefore I click on delete button. Okay friends, now you can click on permanent delete. Okay,